Hi, I'm Deirdre Hardiman from Hepburn Designs. We're in the new Belmont development in Stepaside in County Dublin, built by New Generation Homes. We're in this beautiful living room in this 3-bedroom house. It's called the Powers Court and it's inspired by nature. These lovely sofas, they're called the Stardom. They're from the DFS range. In fact, every bit of furniture in this room I've chosen from the DFS range because it just suited perfectly. I love these really quirky button tables. They come in a couple of different sizes and a few different colors. I've chosen them in a white and blue to stay nice and calm in this room, but they also come in a really funky hot pink. So if you wanted to funk it up a little bit, you can do that. I've used the glass Zest table and chairs in this room. I love the glass table. Again, it gives you the transference of light through the room, but also it's a rectangular and you can open it into a circle, which is brilliant. And one of my favorite pieces is the mirrored console table. It's elegant, again, it reflects the light and it just adds that bit of touch of class to the room. In the kitchen we have an island unit and I was so excited when I found these bar stools from DFS because they have arms and that's a really difficult thing to find and they're also really comfortable. Upstairs in the bedrooms, again I use the DFS bedroom collection. I just love their upholstered headboards and they come in a wide variety of colours. And in the master bedroom I used the lovely ivory headboard and that gave a real autumnal feel to the room. And then in the second bedroom I was able to get a teal coloured bed which really set off the tones in that room. If you want to bring this nature-inspired scheme to your own home, you can visit my website hepburndesigns.ie for a full specification, or go to the DFS website dfs.ie where you'll see all the information about all the fabulous furniture I've used in this home.